Hey guys, it's me, Miss Mills, and welcome to Miss Mills Math Time. The whole point of this video is to help you out with IXL AA5. So this IXL you have to get to a 90%, and all it is you're going to figure out you're going to have a system of equations, and you're going to figure out if they have one solution, no solutions, or infinitely many solutions. So if you remember from your notes, I'm going to have these out to help me out with this IXL to teach y'all. Remember, for it to have one solution, this only happens when the slopes are different. Okay. No solutions, remember, that means you're going to have the same slope but different y-intercepts. So that means that these are going to be lines that are going to be parallel to each other, and they're going to move on for the rest of eternity. And then infinitely many solutions is literally the example of the exact same line. So I'm going to have these out to refer to them sometimes back and forth, but I'm going to do some examples on this, and y'all should be good to go. So here's our first system. We have two equations here. We got to figure out, will it have no solutions, one solutions, or infinitely many solutions? I'm going to do fireworks, and let's go. All right, so as you can tell, actually I'm going to back up real quick. Guys, on an equation of y equals mx plus b, y'all haven't seen it in a while, so I'm going to introduce it again. Right here, this is slope-intercept form. Your slope is the m value, so whatever number is at the m value, whatever number is next to the x is the slope. The b value is the y-intercept, okay? So I'm going to put that there. I misspelled y-intercept, but y'all get the gist. It's gist. You get the gist. All right, I really need to go home. Okay, so as y'all can see here, these slopes are different. So what that means is this is going to have one solution. Submit. All right, on this one, what we have is we have the same slope and we have the same y-intercept. So these are the exact same line. So if it's the exact same line, you're going to have infinitely many solutions. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, and this one, same thing. Same slope and the same y-intercept, so you're going to have infinitely many solutions. All right, same line. Okay, so in this case, we have the same slope, but then we have two different y-intercepts. So what that means is that we're going to have two lines. They're going to be parallel to each other. They're never going to meet, so this is going to have no solution to it. Same slope, different y-intercepts, no solution. Same line, infinitely. Same slope, different y-intercepts, no solution. Same slope, different y-intercepts. Oh, wait. Same line, same exact line, infinitely many solutions. Literally nothing's the same on any of these. So there's going to be one solution to it. Haha, finally. So now this is what you got to do. Once you get to this point, you have to change all of them into slope-intercept form in order to find out, are these going to have one solution, infinitely many solutions, or, I don't even know what I said first, one solution. And that's going to look messy. All right, let's do this example. So I'm going to write down both equations. And I'm going to solve both of them, and then I'm going to compare them. So again, the whole goal is I want to get y by itself on both equations. So if y'all remember from our last chapter, you can move stuff around on both equations in order to get it into y equals mx plus b form. This is our goal. So we got to do that. So what we want to do is we want to get y by itself. And in order to do that, we need to first get rid of this 10x. Get rid of a 10x, you got to do the opposite. Opposite is negative 10. Whatever you do on one side, you have to do it on the other side. These cancel out, they're opposites. I'll bring down my 9y. Again, since these are not like terms, I'm going to write them in this form where my x is going to go first, and then I'm going to bring down this plus 9. Now, the last step is to get y by itself. This is 9 is multiplied by y. I have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. Whatever I do on one side, I have to do it to everything on the other side as well. So this is this equation in y equals mx plus b form. So now I need to do the same thing over here. I need to get y by itself. So I need to get rid of this 20 first. Got to do the opposite of positive 20, which is a negative 20, and I did it on both sides. These canceled out. I'll bring down my 18y. These are not like terms, so I got to write out the whole thing. Negative 20x, and I put the x first, plus 18. This is a positive 18, so I'm going to put plus 18. Now, I need to get y by itself, so I'm going to divide everything by 18 to get it into its final form. These cancel out, they're opposites. Negative 20 divided by 18 can be reduced to, you guessed it, negative 10 over 9x, and then 18 over 18 is going to give us a plus 1. So guys, these lines are the exact same. So that means we're going to have infinitely many solutions. I'm going to do one more example of that, and then y'all are going to be good to, oh, it didn't do it this time. All right, so both of these are in slope-intercept form, so I don't have to do what I just did. They do not have the same slope. They do not have the same y-intercept. They're both completely different, so they're going to have one solution. Okay, this is going to be my last example, and I'm going to leave y'all to it. So I'm going to write down both, and I'm going to change them both into slope-intercept form and compare them. Same thing. I want to get y by itself, so I need to get rid of this 9x first. So to do that, I got to do the opposite of 9x. I'm going to subtract it on both sides. These cancel out. I'll bring down this negative 10y. I'm going to rewrite this because these are not like terms. I can't combine them. And I'm going to make the x go first. I'm going to put plus 5. Then, to get y by itself, I got to divide everything by negative 10. Everything. I'll bring down this y because these cancel out. Negative 9 divided by 10 is going to give me, a negative over a negative is going to give me a positive 9 over 10x. And then 5 divided by negative 10 is going to give me negative 1/2. Cool, so that's the first line. Now I need to do the second line. Same thing, I need to get y by itself. I need to get rid of this first. So the opposite of a positive 18 is going to be a negative 18. I got to do that on both sides. I'll bring down this negative 20y. These are not like terms, so I got to write the whole thing out. And I'll put the x first because it's going to save me time. Then, to get y by itself, I'm going to divide everything by negative 20. These cancel out. Negative 18 over negative 20 is going to give me, it's going to reduce to 9 over 10x. So we're going to have the same slope. And then 10 divided by negative 20 is going to give me negative 1/2. Again, this is an example of two equations that are the exact same. So it's going to have infinitely many solutions. All right, guys, let me know if y'all have any questions on this. You have to get it to a 90%. Yeah, just like if y'all need any help, just let me know. Other than that, I'll see y'all later. Bye.